These are some of the material needed for our 3 cubic meter biogas plant design. That is the 3,000 liter drum over there. So we are using a 3,000 liter GP tank for this installation. Since the size of our plant is 3 cubic meter, that is why we are using 3,000 liter tank for it. This is the location where the 3,000 liter biogas plant will be installed. So we've marked out the diameter of the circle where the tank will be inserted. Yes, we marked out that. Okay. This plant will be used to utilize pigweed waste. As you can see, this is a pigweed farm. This is the piping from the kitchen to where the storage bag will be installed. Yes, so that is the piping to where the storage bag is being installed. Going to where? Which of the homes you